Hello students, let us discuss a basic problem in algebra. The question asks that three consecutive integers add up to 51. What are the integers? Now to solve this problem there is a very important concept needed, and that concept is consecutive integers. We all know what integers are. Numbers like 1, 2, 3, etc. are all integers. The numbers that come one after another are called consecutive integers. Like 2 and 3 are consecutive integers, like 4 and 5 are consecutive integers, but 2 and 4 are not consecutive integers. So that is an important concept to remember. Now we need to express three consecutive integers algebraically. Now let us assume that x is a random integer. Then what will be the integer after it? From this example we can see that if 2 is an integer, the next integer, we can get the next integer by adding 1, which gives us 3. Then from 3 we can get the next integer by adding another 1, which gives us 4. Therefore algebraically we can say that if x is an integer, the next integer comes is x plus 1. The next integer that comes is x plus 2. Similarly, the integer before x is x minus 1. The one before that is x minus 2. Now we have got the idea of expressing three consecutive integers algebraically. The problem says that three consecutive integers add up to 51. Now we can take any three of these terms here. Let us take these three: x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. Now the question says that according to question, three consecutive integers add. So the first integer is x, the second integer is x plus 1, and the third integer is x plus 2, and they add up to 51. Add. So for add we have to add a plus sign, and they add up to, which is equal to 51. Now the basic rule of algebra is that we can add variables only to variables. We can add x to only other x's. We can add 1 to only other numbers like 2, 3, 4, etc. So we will add the 3 x's. By adding we will get x plus x plus x plus this 1 plus 2 is 3 equal to 51. Now how many x's are there? 1, 2 and 3. So this will become 3x plus 3 remains here equal to 51. Now let us take this 3 on the right hand side. Now on the left hand side it was plus, but when you transfer it to the right hand side it will become minus. So it will be equal to 51 minus 3. Then 3x equal to 51 minus 3 is 48. Now taking the 3 on the other side, here it was multiplied, so taking on to the other side it will be divided. So x equal to 48 by 3. Now if you are having difficulty in division, 48 by 3, 3 1s are 3, 18, 3 6s are 18. So the answer is x equal to 16. Now let us go back to our assumptions. The integers that we considered are x, x plus 1 and x plus 2. When we have got the value of x, we have got the value of the smallest integer. Now the integer next to it will be the other integers are x plus 1 and x plus 2. X plus 1 is equal to 16 plus 1 equal to 17, and 16 plus 2 equal to 18. Now it is important to remember that we can solve this question by taking any three integers from here. You can add more, x plus 3, x plus 4, x plus 5. You can take as many as you want, and you can solve this problem by taking any three. Now let us verify this problem. Verification. Let us add these three integers that we have found out: 16 plus 17 plus 18. Adding this, we can get that the answer is 8 plus 7 15 plus 6 21, 1 carried 2, 1 plus 1 plus 1 3, can carry 2 is 5 51. This way we can solve this problem easily.